children, we have started with the next lesson. We are going to start with the next lesson, that is pronouns. Now, as we have completed with the chapter parts of speech, then the sentence and nouns, we have completed the first part of speech, that is nouns, and we know what is a noun. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now, what is a pronoun? Pronoun, as you know, pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. We are here, we do not have a special name for any person, place, animal or thing. Pronoun is what? It is a word which is used instead of a noun. For examples, we can give like I, me, you, she, he, him, her, it, yours, theirs, ours. These are the words which are used as pronouns. Now, we are going to study in detail how the pronoun is divided into 7 classes or 7 kinds, we can say. So, we are going to move to the next chapter, lesson number 4, that is pronouns. Grammar, lesson number 4, pronouns. Children, we have completed with the first part of speech, that is noun. Now, this is the second part of speech, we can say, that is pronoun. And again, once again I want to tell you what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. A word used instead of a noun. I told the examples like I, me, you, he, she, it, they, theirs, ours, yours and many more. Then here the pronoun is divided. Now, how we have seen the kinds of nouns like proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, countable and uncountable noun. In the same way, pronouns are also divided into 7 classes. So, we are going to study in detail what are these 7 classes. So, first one will be, see, pronouns are divided into 7 classes. Okay, 7 classes. So, first one is, now what is the first one? First one we are going to study about personal pronoun, that is personal pronoun. Okay. So, what is personal pronoun? If you see in the word personal pronoun means what exactly? We are going to talk about the person. Personal pronoun means we are going to talk about the person. Now, here in personal pronoun, if you take the examples like I, you, we, he, she, him, they. These are the examples. I, we, he, she, they, etc. Many more it is. Okay, these are the personal pronoun. So, these are the words we are going to use in personal pronoun. Then what is personal pronoun? We will see now. Personal pronoun is what? In personal pronoun also, it is subdivided into 3 persons, that is first person, second person and third person. In personal pronoun, we talk about first person. Again, this is divided into it is subdivided. So, first person. Now, first person means who? The person who is the speaker. Who is the speaker? Suppose now I am talking. I am talking something. For example, if I say, we will take one example. I saw Qutub Minar. I saw Qutub Minar, but he didn't. Now, here who is speaking? Yes, I am speaking. I am speaking means I am the first person, because I am telling something about someone else here. So, when I am speaking, the speaker is called the first person. I am speaking about someone else. So, I will be the first person. I will be the first person. Now, who is the second person? In first person, we have the pronouns like I and we. I and we. Means suppose see if I want to tell I am a teacher, means I am a speaker, I am telling about myself. Or we are students. Now you all are telling about yourself, means you are the speaker. So we are students means you are the first person. The person who speaks, he is the first person, and these are the words we use in the sentences as the speaker, that is I and we. Now who is the second person? Second person is about whom we are talking, about whom we are talking, that he is the second person. Okay, about the we are talking about someone else, so that he is the second person. For example, if you take like suppose if you say you, mostly you, when we are talking about someone. See, second person is who? The person spoken to. I am talking with someone. The person spoken to. Now suppose I am talking with someone else. He is that is the second person. So we are going to use the word you here. Okay. I saw Qutub Minar. Here I am the first person. Now I saw Qutub Minar. Sorry, who is the second person to whom we are talking? I am talking, suppose I am talking to you now. So you are the second person and I am the first person, because I am talking, because I am speaking here. So I am the first person, I am the speaker, and you all are listening, and I am talking to you now. So you are the second person. Okay, and the word we are going to use here is you. Then who is the third person? Third person is the things spoken about. We are, suppose I am talking about someone else. Who is the third person? The person spoken about. I am talking about someone else. I am talking about someone else. Now here I am talking about Qutub Minar. Okay, I saw Qutub Minar. Now I is the first person. Then Qutub Minar, it is suppose it is non-living thing. But if you see here, but he didn't. Now here I am telling that I have seen the Qutub Minar and I am telling to you. So you will be the second person. But he didn't. Now he. So I don't know, I am not telling directly to you. I am telling telling to you that he has not seen. The third person will be not knowing about whom we are about. Someone is talking about us. So he will be the third person. He will be the third person. So who is the first person? See, once again, personal pronoun is what? When we are talking about any person. Okay. Personal pronoun is when we are talking about any person, that is called as personal pronoun. This personal pronoun is again subdivided into first person, second person and third person. So who is the first person? The speaker. Now I am talking, I am teaching here. So I am the first person, that is I am the speaker, I or we. These words we use. Who is the second person? The person spoken. Now I am talking to you. So you are the second person. You are the second person. And who is the third person? We are talking about someone else. We are talking about the third person. Isn't it, children? When we sit in the class and sometimes what happens? We two friends, we sit and chat about the third person. I want to carry tales, or I want to tell something doubt about any other person. That third person won't be knowing that we both are talking about him. So third person won't be knowing. So spoken, when we are speaking about any other person, that is called as third person. And this third person, who all are they? Like he, she or it. They all are the third person. So personal pronoun is divided into three persons, that is first person, who is the speaker, who is talking. Then second person is to whom I am talking, that is the second person. And third person is about whom I am talking, that will be the third person. So this was all about personal pronoun. I hope children you have understood this. So let's move to the second kind of pronoun. Now second kind of pronoun is possessive pronoun. Second is possessive pronoun. So what is possessive pronoun? We'll see now. I hope you have understood personal pronoun. Now second is possessive pronoun. Second is possessive pronoun. So what is possessive pronoun? Children, you might have learnt in your grade 5 that what is possession. Possession means the thing which belongs to you. Suppose this is the marker and it belongs to me. The things which you own, whatever things is of your own, that is called as possession. So possessive means what? Possessive pronoun means the things which belong to you. My, this is my pen, or if I want to say this is your duster, now this duster belongs to you, or if I want to say this bottle is ours, okay, or I want to say suppose this marker belongs to this is his marker, or these books are theirs, means the things which belong to a particular person, the things which belong to a particular person or who is the owner of that thing, that is called as possessive pronoun. And the words which we use here are like my, your, my, this is my pen, that is your book, she is our sister, or we can say this book is his. So these are the possessive pronouns, the things which belong to the certain person, that is called as possessive pronoun. Then if you see one more thing, like see, for example, possessive pronouns, what I told just now, possessive pronoun is the, see, possessive pronoun I told you the things which belong to us, okay. So who is the owner, they are called as possessive, means that is his possession. So the words which we use for the possessive pronoun is my, our, your, their. These are the words which we use in possessive pronoun. So this is the second type of pronoun. First one is what? Personal pronoun, means when we are talking about any person, any person, and in that also they are divided into three, that is first person, second person, third person. First person is the speaker, second person is the about with whom you are talking, and third person is about whom you are talking. But in possessive pronoun, what it is? The things which belong to us, it is our own things, that is called as possessive pronoun. For examples I have given here my, our, your and their. So this was the third type of pronoun. Next we will be moving to the reflexive pronoun. Third one is reflexive pronoun. Children, as you see, suppose you see, if you go and stand in front of a mirror, okay, if you go and stand in front of a mirror, what you are going to see? Yes, you are going to see your own image there. You are going to see your own image there. So that is the reflection of yours. For example, if I say myself, I myself have given you the book, means I myself, that is a reflection of mine. Or you yourself have to do the homework. She herself will do the cooking, means the reflection of our own, or the other person, that is called as reflexive pronoun. For examples, we can say myself, yourself, herself. These words we use himself or themselves. These are the words which we use in reflexive pronoun. For what is reflexive pronoun? It is the what we can say, the reflection of the speaker, we can say reflection of myself, reflection of herself, reflection of himself, or reflection of themselves. So this was the third type of pronoun. Next we will be moving to the demonstrative pronoun. Next is demonstrative pronoun. So what is demonstrative pronoun now? See, demonstrative pronoun, this is the fourth one. Now what is demonstrative pronoun? Suppose I want to means here we can say, see, See, once again I want to tell you about the reflexive pronoun is what? We use reflexive pronoun for emphasis to say that person and nobody else. Means it belongs to that person only, nobody else. He himself, her herself, they themselves, or me, I myself. So that whatever things are there, I want to say that the person and nobody else, only the same person. That time we use the reflexive pronoun. Now, if you move to the demonstrative pronoun. So, what is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun can be used either before a noun or without a noun. What is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun we use to show the things, like it is used either before a noun or without a following noun. For example, if I say like this is, for example, see now, this is my ruler. If I want to write, this is my ruler. This is my ruler. So, here I want to tell you, we use this before the noun. Always we use before a, can be used before a noun or without following a noun. Okay. It is used always before a noun. So, this in demonstrative pronouns we have the words like this, then this, that, this and that we use for the singular noun, then these and those. These are the words which we use before a noun in the demonstrative pronoun. I hope children you have understood personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. Now, in interrogative pronoun, what is interrogative pronoun? Here we ask the questions. Here we ask the questions to the other people. For example, now we know this is very easy in interrogative pronoun. It is very easy. Here we what we do? We ask the questions. Now, and for that we use some specific words. Interrogative pronoun. This is interrogative pronoun. Here what we do? We ask the questions. We ask questions. And for asking questions, we use some particular words like who, what, when, where, which. These words we use to ask the questions. For example, who are you, or what is your name, when did you have your breakfast, where are you, or which is your favorite color. So, these words we use to ask the questions, and this is interrogative pronoun. In interrogative pronoun we ask the questions. Now, next is sixth one is relative pronoun. Sixth one is relative pronoun. Now, what is relative pronoun? Here what we do? This is the man who helped me. For example, now here we show the relation between two persons. Here we show the relation between two persons. Here also we are going to use the words like who, whom, then which or that. These are the words we are going to use to show the relation between two persons, like who, whom, which and that. For example, if you take this is the man, for example, if I will give this is the man who helped me. Now, we are showing the relation between the man and you. Okay, I am showing the relation between the man and me. So, when we show the relation between two persons, we use these words like who, whom, which and that. For again, if you take the other examples like he is the boy whom I met yesterday. Whom I met yesterday. So, here we are talking about other two persons like this boy and I, means myself, and the word we are going to use here whom. So, this is the relative pronoun because it is showing the relation between boy and I. So, this is a relative pronoun. When we show the relation between two persons, then that is called as a relative pronoun. Then I hope children have understood this relative pronoun. And the last one is we can say emphatic pronoun. Okay, last one is of emphatic pronoun, or we can say pronouns of quantity. Pronouns of quantity. Pronouns of quantity. Now, quantity means what, children? You know, we show the measures or the quantity of that. For example, pronouns of indefinite quantity like some, any, much, many, somebody, someone, anybody, anyone, something, anything. These all are the indefinite pronouns, and we don't know the correct amount or correct quantity of anything. So, pronouns of quantity means what? Here we use these words like all, both, some, then much, many, and also we can use the numbers also like 1, 3, 5. So, it shows the quantity and many more words. So, pronouns of quantity means what? Here we show the quantity like all. All the students are present in the class, means we do not know the number, but we are talking about all the students. Then both, me and both sisters were writing the essay. So, means we are talking about two sisters. Then I have some rice in my tiffin. So, here some, we do not know the quantity, exact quantity we do not know, but we know that much amount, okay, and some approximate amount we can't tell, but we know we are talking about some quantity. Then here also I have many pencils. So, here also I have not counted the pencils, but I am having sufficient or many pencils, or we can say here 3. I have 3 apples. I am talking about 3 apples, means here I am telling the definite pronoun, definite quantity of the I am telling the definite quantity. So, this was about the pronouns of quantity. So, these are the 7 classes we can say of pronouns. So, once again, what is a pronoun? Pronoun is what? A word used instead of a noun. Children, we know noun is what? Noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. But what is a pronoun? A word which is used instead of a noun. For examples, we say, for example, we can say I, he, him, she, it, they. These are some of the pronouns, and in that also the pronouns are divided into 7 classes. So, first one I told you, first one is personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? When we are talking about any person. Now, here there are again it is divided into 3 it is divided into 3. So, what is that is first person, second person and third person. So, first person is who is a speaker, that is the first person. Second person is with whom I am talking, that is the second person, and third person is about whom we are talking. So, that was the first class of pronoun, that is personal pronoun. Second is what? Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun means the things which it belongs to us, which we own, that is called as possessive pronoun. Like my, the words we use like my, your, our, his, their, etc. This was the second class of pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. Third is reflexive pronoun. It gives the reflection of yours. So, like this one we can say no, means all, otherwise we can say like this also. What is reflexive pronoun? That we are talking about a certain person and nobody else. Now, I myself means I am talking about myself only, not the other person, or you yourself, I am talking about only you, I am not talking about the other person, you yourself, or she, sorry, her, herself, he, him, himself. Then they themselves, means we are talking about the certain person only and not about the any other person. So that is reflexive pronoun. Then what is next is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun, we use to point out the objects, and we use these demonstrative pronouns like this, that, these and those before the noun, and this and that we use for the singular noun, and these and those for the plural nouns. So that was about the fourth class. Then interrogative pronoun. In interrogative pronoun, here we ask the questions, and for the asking the questions we use some certain words like who, what, when, which or where. These are the question words we can say we use in the sentences to ask the questions, that is interrogative pronoun. And next is relative pronoun. Sixth one is relative pronoun. In this the certain pronoun it denotes or it shows the relation between the two persons or two things we can say. For examples, we use these words like who, which, that and whom. And the last one is pronouns of quantity. Here we show the quantity. Sometimes it is used in form of the indefinite pronoun and sometimes in the form of definite pronoun. If it is in concern of with indefinite pronoun, we use these words like some, much, many, all, both. But if it is definite pronoun, then 1, 3, 5, any other number. So I hope children you have understood the 7 classes of the pronoun. So if you see now, see personal, I will read out for you, you just listen over here. Personal pronouns are subdivided into 3 persons, that is first person who is the speaker, second person, person spoken to, third person is a person or thing spoken about. So these are the 3 persons like first, second, third person. And who is first person? I or we. Then second person is you, and third person is he, she, it or they. Then next if you see possessive pronoun. In possessive pronouns we are talking the person, the things which they own or it belongs to them, and the words which we use are like my, mine, myself. These are my or mine. Then you, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, like that, are, ours, and their, theirs. These are the possessive pronoun. And next is reflexive pronoun. In reflexive pronoun what it is? See, in reflexive pronoun we use the words like myself, yourself. It is, if it is one person we say yourself. If it is more than one, you say yourselves. And if it is for himself or herself, itself, ourselves and themselves. Then if you see the next is demonstrative pronoun. I told it denotes the or we use to point out the things, that is this, that, these, those. And then next is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun is what? Here we ask the questions for them like what is your favorite hobby, who phoned you, which would you like, tea or coffee. These are the questions we ask them. Then relative pronoun, we used to join the 2 sentences also, 2 short sentences we can say like a woman lives next door, she is very friendly. These are the 2 sentences, but we use one word to join the 2 sentences. It shows the relation between 2 words or 2 sentences, like the woman who lives next door is very friendly. So relative pronoun is used to join 2 words or 2 sentences. And the last one is what? Last one is pronouns of quantity. Here we show the quantity in indefinite, like using indefinite pronoun or definite pronoun. I hope children you have understood with all the classes of pronouns, and later on I will be sending you the exercise along with the answers. You have to copy down it in your notebook. Thank you.